Real fresh attitude. You a witch, the potion brewed. New stand with old news. Kicking back at a couple brews. Leaning back on airplanes. I don't care about your space. I'm a boss, no getting lazy. Smoking but my vision's hazy. I care about my fashion. Looking fresh and feeling handsome. Got some girls, I'm gonna smash them. Take them out, then I monster mash them. I got swagger pouring out my closet. I got cash pouring out my wallet. Spinning rhymes that don't ever fall till I make those fall like a roller coaster. Damn, I'm awesome, we all know this. You are all under my hypnosis. Fresh as fuck like a Thai pouch open. Leave them wet, the vagina soaking. Speak the words that remain unspoken. Fuck the world, my eyes are open. They can't see shit, that's why they choking. I'm running this, my mind is golden. This about me tearing up the game. Fuck the money and fuck the fame. I do it all because I want to. I don't need luck, I am the horseshoe. Brace yourself, cause I'm about to kill this track like it's Cain to Abel. This can't be real, my life's a fable. We getting older, so youth I savor. Damn, I'm decent, I'm a genius. My flow sick, tons of diseases. I take it to the hospital and watch it spread like a wildfire. I'm insane, I'm just saying, overpaying when I play the game. And I make it rain like a couple K. And I do it all in under a day, more than okay. If it ends this way, you know we good. Made it out the same, royal as fuck. We Charlemagne, we cashing up like a bang machine. We ballin' up, Russell Martin, fancy as fuck. We drink champagne, we a lion, man. You tryin' fan, but it ain't the same. We running shit, we take the blame. Fuck y'all pussies, you ain't do the same. I ain't saying names, I ain't a snitch. I ain't playing games, I ain't a glitch. My flowin' dead, call me the lich, call me a vet, cause I'ma take your bitch. And after that, gonna die in a ditch. I'm feeling fresh, check out my kicks. Button down on top of this. Awesomeness, bottomless, just like my drinks. Dionysus, the god of bliss. Keep bopping this, I'm rocking this. Lord knows there's no stopping this. The place is lit, they spark a split. We taking hits on top of this. They know the shit, she popping it. She hot as shit, I'm loving it. She riding it, I'm high as shit. We fly the spliff, we monolith. We so ominous, we standing there. Common shit, ain't got no cares. Life ain't fair, what's our purpose? Life is like a giant circus. We close the curtains, getting sober. We escape it, get right back. I need to say shit. Conversations, furnace baking. Take a leave, we carbonating, we carbon dating. That means all our time is fading. I'm just saying it's getting late. Perfect time to end the date. Perfect time to end our face. Go back home, I'm such a snake. Fuck yeah, man, I know escape. That girl's a basic. I escaped it cause I'm evasive. Quench your thirst, I am Oasis. Not the band, I ain't changing paces. I'm still a rapper, I'm trying harder. Change my flow till it's more like water. Make a trade, it's time to barter. I don't act tough, fuck yeah, I'm smart. I rule this shit like I'm Jimmy Carter. Yeah, I'm harder than the suit of armor. Tony Stark gave to Peter Parker. Suit and laters, tail blazers. Into bowls that emit vapors. Pulling papers round the room. Take one up, then take a zoom. Take a puff, then lie in bed. Doze off, then I start again.